VideoDashboard Commercial Unlimited is an all-in-one marketing software that comes with brand new innovations and integrations that make it easy for anyone to automatically research the trending market pulse. Market trends, viral content, keywords, and hashtags. Create stunning videos for all top social platforms, publish or schedule content, and to generate free traffic, all from a single dashboard. This video dashboard commercial review will look at this software in detail. The app comes with a commercial license so that you can make money legally by selling the videos you make or the traffic generation service to top businesses. The Video Dashboard app comes loaded with several never-seen-before groundbreaking technologies. With this app, you can discover, identify and monetize growth trends before they happen. Create, build unlimited platform-specific videos and other content that attract attention and get you more customers. Publish, schedule and syndicate your stunning videos to all platforms from one unified app. Automate, grow your business without paid ads using powerful first-to-market technologies. Make money, drive unlimited free traffic, leads, and sales for yourself or sell to clients with the commercial license. Main features of Video Dashboard. This app is all you need to get all the free traffic you'll ever need, together with all the unlimited trending content for your business. It has tons of both custom and done-for-you videos for any marketing goal you might have. The future of video marketing is here. Convert any video into a powerful leads and sales generation machine. Using proven and tested interactive video technology, call-to-action time triggers, display call-to-actions, buttons and links at start, at the end, or at any given time in the video. Next-generation interactive video technology, convert boring and dull videos into powerful leads and sales-generating interactive videos with clickable buttons, opt-in forms, images, buttons and more. Revolutionary content locking technology, built-in lock mechanism that stops the video from playing and to encourage visitors to take immediate action before the video resumes again. Killer way to build a massive email list and drive traffic to any offer on demand. Magic Share URL. Share your interactive videos to any social media platforms, emails or messenger apps to instantly skyrocket your results and sales. Total customization. Add custom messages, logos on the Magic Share page to boost conversions, credibility and branding. Share the page on all social platforms, emails, or messenger platforms to maximize your traffic and revenues. 100% mobile compatible. All the powerful video technologies included in this upgrade work on all devices including mobile phone to take your results to the next level.